Standard 9 Subject Maths 2 Chapter number 8 Trigonometry Practice set 8.2 Complete the following table. The first given value is cos theta, which is equal to 35 upon 37. We have to find sin theta and tan theta. Since we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now substitute the values of cos theta. Therefore, sin square theta plus 35 upon 37 whole square is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta plus 1225 divided by 1369 is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 1225 divided by 1369. After cross multiplication, we get sin square theta is equal to 144 upon 1369. So, after square root, we get sin theta is equal to 12 upon 37. Now since we know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, so substitute the value of sin and cos, that is 12 upon 37 divided by 35 upon 37. So cancel out 37, therefore we get tan theta is 12 upon 35. There is one alternative method for solving this type of question with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Let's see that alternative method. Here we have to take a right angle triangle. Let us the right angle triangle be ABC. So we have to take common multiple k here. Now we know that cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So let C be the angle theta. So we can say that BC will be the adjacent side and AC will be the hypotenuse. So let BC is equal to 35k and AC is 37k. Now in right angle triangle ABC, apply Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now substitute the given values, therefore 37k whole square is equal to AB square plus 35k whole square. So therefore AB square is equal to 1369k square minus 1225k square. Therefore AB square is equal to 144k square. So after taking square root to both hand side, we will get AB is equal to 12k. Now since we know that sin theta is opposite side divided by hypotenuse, so the side opposite to theta is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. So therefore sin theta is AB upon AC. Now substitute the value of AB and AC. Therefore sin theta is 12k upon 37k, that is sin theta is 12 upon 37. Now tan theta is sin upon cos, so that is 12 upon 35. So students, in this way you have to fill all the boxes. We will do some more question in the next video. Thank you.